Anything else? Guess he had a point.
Hello, friends! Huh? Can you see on my table? I bought a Chatham America.
Stark tell you anything else?
Oh, a super! I love this. And kids also love. You can buy any toy shop. Cool. Ooh! The kids should Chatham America mask and the weapons. Garnish. And one to Chatham America.
Guess he had a point.
Avengers. Chatham America is very powerful. Open it. I open. Huh? Where Chatham America is going? Oh, outside. Wow. Look at this. Mask. Yeah. But look, I am the Chatham America. A Chatham America. A light is opening. Look, a red light. Ding, 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 ding. And he has a door. Oh yeah, like look. His hands, powerful hands. I am Chatham America. Who will kill me? I am. It's a circle. Let's
Hands up! Throw it at this. Now! Oh, come on!
That thing is not a...
There's a lot going on here that you don't understand. Stark tell you anything else? Guess he had a point.
Please, Captain.
It wasn't him!
Thank you, friends, to subscribe to my channel.